I might actually offset the camper a little bit this way, even though it's not centered. It should be okay, and this will be down. I was finally able to put the camper in the back of the truck, the bottom first, and then I would add the top later. An important thing for this front part is that because everything is going to be ratcheted this way and down, I made these spacing blocks so that I can really push that thing as far as it can get this way. These holes are 3 inches wide, and it is perfect to fit your arm in there to put the nut on the bottom. And this will be the last resort. If those break, this will still be there. There's the deal, fishing rod holders. It's about the mid-40s right now, and it's going to drop wintertime, mid-December. And I want to do a temperature test. I have a thermometer that it'll tell me the inside and outside temperature. And even with this vent hole, I actually have a cover for that. But I've got the door open and that vent hole, and it's actually quite a bit difference in temperature already. The bottom left is 43.5 degrees, and the inside temperature is 47.8. 3 minutes after 9 p.m. and our temperature is 47.4 degrees. Let's light the candle and see what happens. All right, 9:34, about 30 minutes. And we're at 50 degrees inside, 45 degrees outside. So it's definitely warmer in here than outside. It's 3 minutes past midnight, and it is 50.5 degrees inside and 42.8 degrees outside.